Anurid, make a start, please. Go on.
First, so I made tan equals sine theta over cos theta.
You started with the left hand side, right?
Yeah,
Left hand side. So we started with the left hand side. So we write cos theta as it is, sine theta as it is, and Anurid said we can write on sine theta over cos theta. And what will happen after that? Anurid, go on.
then you get cos theta plus sine squared theta over cos theta.
Good. Cos theta over 1 plus sine squared theta over cos theta. Good. Keep doing what we do next.
Then you times out the fraction by cos theta.
Because we said previously we need to make the same denominator, add it. So we end up with the cos squared theta plus sine squared theta over cos theta. Right?
Then you make cos squared theta into 1 minus sine theta.
No, cos squared theta
sine
plus
squared
sine
theta.
squared theta is 1, right? Yes?
Oh,
You
yeah.
happy with that one? If we got 1
Yeah.
over cos theta, we write down equals to sec theta. Then we write down equals to right hand side. So this is the way we done. Again, we don't know how to make a start, but we need to break up the question tan theta. And whenever we come across with this type of identity, we need to make the same denominator. Okay, so that's the way we should have done this one. Let me go on and go on, tell me.
So cot theta is cos theta over sine theta.
Cos theta over sine theta, well done, plus tan theta is?
Sine theta over cos theta.
And what we do after that?
And then
Whenever we have fraction, what we do, we make the same denominator. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Good, what we get?
You get cos plus
Sine theta cos theta. Yes. Plus, go on. Sine theta cos theta over, are we doing right? Over
sine theta cos theta.
sine squared theta
and
cos squared theta. Right?
Yeah.
Now what we can do from the top, we got sine theta cos theta. So we got 2 sine squared theta on the top, right? 2 sine theta cos theta over sine squared theta cos theta. So what is going to happen? One of the sine squared theta is going to, one of the cos is going to cancel, one of the sine is going to cancel. So which means we left with 2 over sine theta cos theta. Right? When we got this one, we know 1 over sine theta is cosec theta, and then we got sec theta. That is equals to right hand side. We shouldn't be having 2 there. I don't know why we are getting 2. That's the only problem we have. Sine theta, cos theta, sine theta, cos theta. Yes, that is fine. That can be 1 there. Yes. Okay, guys, any question, please ask me.